Hey everyone, welcome back to Thursday of our 1 week meal plan. Today we're going to make chicken pesto pasta. It's a creamy pesto sauce with cooked chicken served over homemade noodles. So for today's prep, if that chicken was frozen, we want to make sure that it's thawed for tonight's meal, and if we're making homemade noodles, we want to plan that into our afternoon meal prep. And then tomorrow's prep, we really don't have anything specific for tomorrow's meal, but we do want to whip together the pizza dough and store that in the fridge for Saturday night's bruschetta pizza. So for the chicken pesto pasta, the ingredients that you'll need are the chicken breast, green onions, garlic, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and pesto. This dish is really easy to make. You simply brown the cut up chicken in a skillet, and then in a separate skillet you want to saute the green onions and garlic until tender. Add the heavy cream and the pesto to the onions and the garlic. Cook that over low heat until the sauce is thickened to your liking. Then simply add the browned chicken to the sauce and mix thoroughly, and then you serve it hot over homemade pasta and top it with Parmesan cheese. Now this recipe, I can change it up for future meals just by adding some chicken sausage. I take 4 of those links instead of chicken, and it gives me a whole new meal to have later on in the month. So some of the side options that you can do is just a simple garden salad and some garlic bread. If you're wanting the homemade noodle recipe, I have that as a bonus base recipe in my 4-week meal plan, so make sure to check that out. And then this week we actually have used or will be using heavy cream twice. So if you bought a pint at the store, you'll use that up this week. However, if you bought a quart of heavy cream, you may have some extra. So remember that heavy cream, if you don't use it within a week, you can freeze it in 1-cup portions and store it in the freezer for up to 3 months. So now it's time to get cooking. Once you make this dish, post a picture on social media using the hashtag #TheRuralHomeRecipes and tag myself. And we'll see you tomorrow night.